Inside every cell, a story unfolds. DNA carries secrets, ancient and bold. Through every challenge, through every fight, our bodies keep searching for balance and